Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, you guys, I received this amazing package from Eva, and she's Sweet Crafty Girl on Instagram. I will have her link down below. You guys, are you looking at all this magicalness? She had sent me a message that she was gonna enter my giveaway challenge, and you guys, look at this package. It's so beautiful. She sent me so much stuff, and like, this is her entry, and everything else is what she made for me. You guys, this is amazing. I held myself to open it on film because I didn't want to go through it and then show it to you guys. I wanted my initial reaction. You guys, isn't this beautiful? Look at her little confetti mix. They're little flowers. Isn't that adorable? I love that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out of the box. And Eva, I read your card. It's super sweet. Thank you so much. Now let's go through this yumminess. You guys are way too good to me. So I'm going to move the box over so I can start taking stuff out. This is her little entry to the giveaway. And you guys, I think she made me a banner. This is crazy. There's so much stuff in this box. She made me a bunch of handmade embellishments, like a bunch. OMG. Girl, what did you do? This is crazy. Are you guys seeing all of this? This is amazing. You guys, just when I don't get surprised, you guys shock me some more with your generosity, your sweetness, your support for my channel, for my Instagram. You guys, she made me so many cards. Eva, thank you so much. You guys, look at all this pretty confetti that she made. I think she punched these out. And there's even like some crepe paper ones. Look at that. That's so fun. I am definitely saving that. You guys know I save all my confetti. But you guys, look at this. Do you know how much time this takes to create? I am such a lucky girl. You guys have no idea how lucky I am to have you guys just want to send me all this amazing stuff. Is just amazing to me, and I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys know that I treasure every little piece of mail that you guys send me. It makes me feel, oh my God, I feel like even nervous, you guys. Like, I just get the chills because I just can't believe how amazing some of you people are. Like, it's just like, I, for the most part, don't get any hate. Let me knock on wood. I don't get any hate. I get shown so much love on my Instagram and on my YouTube. And every time I open either social media, it's just like they make me smile because you guys are super sweet. So let's show some of these goodies. OMG, Eva. Look at these handmade cards, you guys. These are like shaker cards. These are so beautiful. The envelope. Oh, wow. I love this. Don't you love that sound? This is beautiful. She also sent me some cute little frame cutouts and some unicorns. Look at those. She die cut these out for me, you guys. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look at the frames. And the unicorns. Do you guys see these colors? This is beautiful. Thank you so much for taking time out to cut that out for me. What? Am I lucky or what? Look at these handmade clips. How beautiful. This is truly some magical mail. And today is Sunday, you guys, and I got the package today. I love that I get mail on Sundays. Isn't that adorable? Look at that unicorn. Girl, you are talented. You guys need to go check her out. Tell her I sent you. Go follow her. I'm not sure if she has a channel. If she does, I'll definitely be linking it down below. Look at these beautiful rosettes she made. And this one with the unicorn in the middle. These are gorgeous. I am hoarding these. I told you guys in my previous video, I don't use any of the embellishments that you guys send me. I just like to stare at them and look at them. I do not like to send them away. Look, you guys. How cute. I want you guys to see the full effect. Look at that. These beautiful little clusters she made. These are gorgeous. Eva, thank you so much. And you packaged everything so pretty. And she sent me some bows. You guys, I love me some bows. If you ever send me mail, bows are definitely up my alley. I love any type of bow. Look at this. They have these cute little like acrylic pieces in the center. And look at the way she packaged it. The little layers of the scallops. Like the scallop circles. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys, she sent me sequins. Let's see what we got. Look at these mixes. How beautiful. And everything goes together so perfectly. I love these. Thank you so much. And then we got some more embellishments here. We got some more rosettes, but look at these. Oh, is that a die? These are beautiful. Look at that. These are gorgeous. Look at that bow, that blinged out bow. So much detail. The little brad in the middle. Ooh. Look at these. I got some more little rosettes. Look at these. How cute. Look at the little brads in the middle. You guys, these are so cute. Like, this is a ton of handmade embellishments she sent my way. Like, I am so spoiled by you guys. And look at all these little cutouts. She's got the little hearts here. She's got the little word stickers. And these are like, I don't know if they're tickets. So cute. She put like a little kit together. These are too cute. I'm loving the colors. Loving the colors. And then you guys, from I think the paper pad from Michaels, she gave me a bunch of cutouts and cut out some like 6x6 papers. How sweet is that? Like, this mail, she took her time with it. That's what I appreciate the most. Like, you guys create these packages for me, and that's like time that you take out to do something like that for me, and I appreciate it so much. I want you guys to know that your mail is definitely something I appreciate with all my heart. Look at that, a whole little kit that I can use to create my own stuff. She made me 2 more cards. And you guys, this is not even like her entry. This is just what she chose to send extra. Look at this. Look at these shaker cards with the little mermaid. These cards are beautiful. Look at this. Stay magical. Obsessed. I am obsessed with these cards. They are gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous. I don't even know what to go to next. And we have this little packet here. And we're going to see what's inside. Oh, she made all these cute little envelopes. Oops. All these cute little envelopes. And you guys, I think she has stuff in each and every one of them. OMG. She cut out these. I think these are like little tabs and like labels. So beautiful. Eva, I am virtually hugging you, girl. Oh my gosh, she sent me like these little bag toppers. I don't have a bag topper die. You guys, look, she sent me so many. Thank you. I love these. Totally spoiled me, totally. Look at these. What are these? These are the, I think these are, what are these? These are like little tabs. Look, you guys. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? Like, what? I think this one is, oh, this was to show me that they're tabs, I guess. Like, every envelope is handmade by her. Everything is like handmade. Look, you guys, these beautiful hearts. I love those glittered ones. Look at that. That iridescent paper is gorgeous. Do you guys see that? Eva, I'm speechless. Speechless. Many little doilies. I love these. Look at these colors. You guys, look how cute. Who doesn't love a mini doily? These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I love. Girl, thank you so much for all of these. These I'll definitely be using. I love me some cuts. And you guys, she sent me even bigger doilies. All different colors as well, matching everything that she sent. These are super adorable. And then here, look at this envelope, how she decorated it. Do you guys see this? Sparkle wherever you go. And there's this cute little heart here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at the detail, you guys. Look at even the back. Like, OMG. So more embellishments, you guys. Look at these. Are they not beautiful? And I think it's using those little doilies. These are so cute. I'm loving that paper. That glitter paper is beautiful. Girl, thank you so much. And you guys, like, that's not enough. She made me a banner. Let me see if I can open this up. And take out the little, look at this, you guys. Wait, how do I open this? Oh, I think this one came out from here. Okay, I'll show it this way. I'm gonna show you guys first the way each envelope is decorated. Look at all the detail, you guys. Look at this. And I can feel that each envelope has goodies inside as well. Look at this. So much detail on each envelope. Let me clip this one back. And look at these glittered clips. These are so cool. Are you guys looking at these clips? This is so good. So let's see what's inside each little envelope. In here, oh my gosh, more embellies. Look at these hearts. Oh, these are just gorgeous. Girl, you went all out. I am loving. I'll put it together after the video. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. Perfect word, because I love it. More embellishments. Look at these little flowers. Those colors are to die for. I am going to be staring at this mail all night long. Do you guys do that? When I get some Happy Mail, I just stare at it over and over again. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. And there's like some netting in the background. So magical. Look at that. Beautiful clusters. What do we have in here? Oh, she sent me some cute little stickers. Like little flower stickers. And this cute little hello. I love the way they like shimmer. Gorgeous. I don't have any of those. Thank you. And then we have, you guys, and I haven't even gotten into her entry. Can you believe that? This is crazy. Look at this one. These envelopes are gorgeous. Look, you guys, she sent me some enamel hearts, some flowers. I love me some flowers. And this color is beautiful. I love that teal blue. And some cute little diamonds, like little diamond stickers, and they're like holographic. You see that? Thank you. Definitely gonna be having fun with those. And I love me some enamel dots. So those are beautiful. And then the last little envelope in the banner. Girl, you sent me so much. Let's see, I just want to take the little confettis off. Look at this. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Oh, look at the little bow. Oh, she sent me some note cards. You are freaking majestic. With the little envelopes like the one that she sent me. She wrote in one for me. So cute. I love this. I've never seen these. Thank you. I love me some note cards. If you guys know me, I have a huge collection of note cards. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this mail, you guys. Like this is magic. And then last but not least, definitely not least, this is her entry for my magical giveaway. And I'm almost positive she created some magic. Because you guys already saw this amazing package she sent. Eva, thank you so much for not only entering my giveaway, but spoiling me with all your crafty goodness. So you guys, this is her handmade card. And OMG, this is beautiful. Look at that unicorn. And look at the detail, you guys, with all the little gems. She's got her little envelope in the back. Look at that. The card matches the envelope. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And then here we have her Memory Dex card entry. Look at that bow, you guys. This is, oh my gosh, I have no words of how beautiful this is. A little handmade clip, a little like, look at the layers. The rosette. You are something wonderful. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Eva, for entering my giveaway, for spoiling me. Wait, I can't even speak. Spoiling me with all this beautifulness and amazingness. Like, you are super generous and you did not have to, but I appreciate it so much. You guys definitely need to go check her out. She's Sweet Crafty Gal on Instagram, and I'll have her YouTube link down below if she has one. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this amazing magical video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified for any upcoming videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.